Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. Top Best Handle Mobile Phone Laptop Repair Reviews 2026. $142-in-1 precision magnetic screwdriver set includes Torx, hex, and Phillips bits for versatile repairs. Durable steel bits, non-slip ergonomic handle, and magnetic tip ensure accuracy and control. Ideal for smartphones, laptops, watches, glasses, and electronics. Compact organized case with bag keeps tools secure, portable anywhere. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.